Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Highlander, Toyota Highlander 28 to 2014. Yes, okay, let me show how do you need. You can check it, will come with JBL harness. And this is Toyota JBL harness. And this radio antenna. Okay, this is backup camera. This camera input. Okay, this camera detect wire. Okay, let me introduce how do you need. You can check this knob. All apps are here. It's built-in microphone and the reset hole. And this navy button built-in Google Maps. And the volume is home button. All apps are here. You can check. And let me show radio. You can search the radio stations. This knob button. Let me check. Can check this next button, volume button. You can check. Okay. All apps are here, and it's built in Play Store. You can download applications from Play Store, and this speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Speed play app. Okay. And let me check the settings. This you can check PX6 chip, and PX6 Android 10. Android 10 system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, and network connect to the Wi-Fi and support hotspot and 4G mobile network. Okay. Okay. Our website is belsee.com. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website to contact to us. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. Okay. You can check this pin number, and please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. Click search button to get the device. Click pair button. Your phone will get the pin number, please put the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, paired device, you can change the color, show Bluetooth, and you can make a phone call. Okay, it works with free phone call from your Bluetooth. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth. Okay. Let me show the video and music. This USB driver, there are 2 USB cable and connect one with USB. It will play music automatically. Volume. And you can check USB 1. It's built-in DSP amplifier. You can check DSP, balance, and EQ. Sound field. Settings. Okay, this DSP amplifier, and let me play video. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, driving settings, turn on watch video, and play video game. It's full screen. It's 4K video. Support to play 4K video. Okay, and it's our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay. And you can, Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car kit unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. This logo, and you can change the theme editor with different color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, that's all. Thank you.